you're a beginner in the art of 8 limbs or seasoned Nak Muay, here are 10 Muay Thai gyms in Bangkok that now in our opinion are a must try. We've compiled a list of known and not so well known gyms in the land of smiles and what we regard as the strong points to help you decide how best to make your trip to Bangkok a worthwhile one, whether or not it's a drop-in visit, a fitness vacation, or your first or 20th fight. Let's go! This is a gym headed by a living legend, a coach of Western champions, and having even been in a James Bond film. Yes, we are at Master Toddys Muay Thai Academy. Located in Bang District, a short 30-minute taxi ride from Bangkok, Master Toddys is a superb one-stop shop for beginners in Muay Thai, especially as the camp can help facilitate visitor visas to Thailand, and they also run regular accredited instructor courses. With friendly trainers and a good level of English, the biggest advantage to attending here is the fight knowledge of Master Toddy and his ability to communicate insightful fight advice in an easy to understand way. This makes for a great experience for the Muay Thai novice. The gym is like a Muay Thai superhero headquarters with a purpose-built facility with a central ring and multiple heavy bags and accommodation on premise. Yindi is a highly active fight gym with super impressive facilities and a well-known stable of active Thai fighters. It's a gym that caters well to the serious Muay Thai practitioner, and the facilities are world-class in both Muay Thai and sporting high performance, including modern weights and exercise machines. While we only had time to attend the general class, there's a fighter's schedule as well. They are very responsive to queries and also proficient in English. They also have a canteen on site, and the accommodation is definitely one of the nicer ones we've seen in the Muay Thai camp. Formerly known as Jitty's Gym, Riftwood Gym Academy is located in the area of Phra, a short walking distance from Prakan train station. The facilities are covered and well catered to foreigners with strong English-speaking trainers. We feel it is a great gym for either beginners or fighters with intermediate experience. There is also basic accommodation above the training area, which will give you a great view of the trainers when you might be late to class. No. There are also affordable eateries and convenience stores in walking distance, which is a big difference to many other camps. If you know, you know. Muay Thai Academy is a hidden gem that is centrally located in Bangkok City, close to the Satun district. It is a hybrid arrangement with Rong Gym, which focuses on Japanese clientele. The facilities are modern with an area that has high impact floor mats and MMA equipment. The trainers are also very watchful and technical, and there are also boxing classes, so check the schedule. In our opinion, intermediate level and above Muay Thai fighters that want to polish their skills in an environment with above par facilities would really excel here. Also of note, Muay Thai Academy is only 5 minutes walk away from the very popular Muay Thai equipment shop Super Export if you need any apparel, gloves or equipment at affordable price. Eminent Air Gym derives its name from the gym's sponsor, a Thai household brand name for air conditioners. We loved that there were 2 full-size rings at Eminent Air with ample warm-up area and a jogging route through the neighbourhood. With a long history with foreign fighters having trained at Eminent Air and succeeding at all levels in Bangkok's various Muay Thai stadiums, it definitely is a gym geared for visiting fighters. The fight style of Eminent Air is aggressive female or technical style, and it's also interesting to note that one of the participants in the 2008 reality show Contender Asia, Soren Mongkuntong, also came from Eminent Air. Jitmuangnon Gym is definitely for the serious and seasoned fighter. With one of the toughest training sessions we have witnessed, it's a high level, no nonsense atmosphere with multiple active Thai fighters and stars as well as some foreign fighters. This isn't a casual drop-in place, but if you're serious about training and fighting, it's best you ready yourself for the grind. The gym is located in Nonthaburi district, which is about a 40-minute drive outside of Bangkok by taxi, and it helps to have local connections to get in touch with the camp. One interesting point to note is that Jitmuangnon also has its own stadium known as Ortor Stadium, where fighters from the age of 14 upwards can compete. We definitely hope to visit next time. FA Group is located in the Chak district, a few blocks away from the famous Chak market. Renowned for the clinch fight style of Muay Thai fighters, it is a hard grind training gym with clinch training often twice a day. One of the standout Thai fighters of FA Group is Yotin FA Group, a bantam and featherweight champion. Under the stewardship of PLENA&Co, FA Muay Thai Group is a well-known and visited gym for foreigners and is active on the fight circuit and easy to contact via social media. Located in Bangkok district on the outskirts of Bangkok, Sussi Gym thrives through its active links to fight communities in the US and UK, thanks to the acumen and heart of the Tycoon family that owns and runs the gym. When we attended, multiple groups of foreign fighters were visiting on a training trip, and the atmosphere was focused with impressive fight guidance. English is also a strong point, and Sussi was one of the easier gyms to contact and arrange attendance. Sussi is also a strong participant in the Bangkok fight scene, including featuring in promotions such as Rajadamnern Stadium. PK Sanchai Muay Thai Gym is housed in a large warehouse with 5 rings inside, including an octagon. There are multiple areas for cardio, skipping, and bag work. Structure-wise, you need to be able to self-warm up here and know how to get into the flow until your trainers call you up for your pad work. It's an active gym on social media, easily contactable, and the staff and trainers are professional and approachable. The atmosphere is definitely on point. and we also understand that accommodation can be provided. Nestled in the compounds of Buddhist temple near Bangkok, Chinatown is Sangmorakot Gym. The gym is very active on the fight scene with a stable of fighters, both local and foreign. Though not having a strong social media presence, the gym is vibrant and authentic. However, English is not a strong suit. But note, Muay Thai being Muay Thai and Thailand being Thailand, communication won't be a problem if the heart is there. And that's all for our 10 must-visit Muay Thai gyms in Bangkok. Please do like, follow, comment and share if you can. Stay tuned to our channel for more. See you soon!